Home Remedies presents. This turmeric mask for acne is everything your skin needs. If you are interested in making your own face mask, you are likely to be very familiar with turmeric being employed in a lot of beauty routines. But have you ever claimed yourself why turmeric is so beneficial? Turmeric is anti-inflammatory and hence can assist to reduce acne, scars, and oily skin. Its potent traits reach deep into the skin to calm irritated skin, fight and reduce breakouts, and reduce pores. Let's see how to make the face pack. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to support it. Ingredients: 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of yogurt, 1 spoon of chickpea flour. Preparation: take a bowl and mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Apply onto the skin and let it dry. Once dry, rinse with lukewarm water. Practice 2 to 3 times a week. It is a fabulous one for targeting oily and acne-prone skin by performing deep into the skin cleansing, getting rid of bacteria and demoting oil, blackheads, and breakouts. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.